Here are some of the key benefits and information about using Flying Zeal herbal pills to increase pigeon flying time. Number 1. This pill is for use in flying competitions. Number 2. More days of flying success. Number 3. Flight time will increase. Number 4. Strength and endurance for flying will increase. Number 5. There will be no harmful side effects. Number 6. The pigeon will remain conscious and alert. Number 7. Will not run away during flying. It is important to note that this pill is not a drug. It increases the flying time of your pigeon. This herbal pill is made with this in mind. It significantly increases the flying power of your pigeon, makes it stronger, and reduces fatigue during flying. Due to the unique formula of Flying Zeal herbal tablet, this product is suitable for all types of flying pigeons, whether they are low-flying pigeons or high-flying pigeons. With this, you can significantly increase the flying ability of your pigeons. With the help of Flying Zeal herbal pills, your pigeons can achieve their full flying ability, strength and endurance, and fly for a long time. This will prevent your pigeon from falling off the ground and will land safely after completing its flying time with full vigor and consciousness. Now, listen to how to give Flying Zeal herbal pills to a pigeon. Feed the pigeon 1 Flying Zeal Ayurvedic pills 15 to 30 minutes before flying. It will be best to give the pills with water. Before feeding the pigeon, it is best to wrap the pellet in raisin or almond husk. The amount of husk layer should be increased depending on the duration of the pigeon's flying. One thing to keep in mind about the flying duration of your pigeon: the longer the pigeon flies, the thicker the layer should be. For example, if your pigeon flies for 6, 8, or 10 hours, the layer should be applied in such a way that its absorption and its effect begin 1 to 1.5 hours before the end of the pigeon's flight duration. Due to which the pigeon's fatigue will start to decrease and it will fly with renewed vigor, agility, and enthusiasm, and the strength lost during the flying will start to increase again. Using this pellet will not only help in increasing the flying duration but will also increase the endurance of your pigeon during the flying. Our first tip: you should make sure that your pigeon is completely healthy and rested before flying. The pigeon should not be sick or lethargic. Instead, it should be completely healthy and full of energy. To enhance your pigeon's performance on every flying, it is important to recover before and after the flying. Our second tip: make sure to use a good deworming, that is, a medicine to remove stomach worms, for your pigeon at the right time. Please take this precaution. Do not use any high potency or quantity of deworming medicine without proper knowledge. This can make your pigeon sick and weak, making it unable to fly, and your long-term preparation and hard work will be in vain. If you want more information regarding this product, please video description or visit our website. You can order this pill online, from Amazon, or by calling our website or our Indian WhatsApp number 0946399090. You can have it delivered to your home by post.